single. For me, I want to be single too. Nanay Ningning is asking me last Saturday. I said, "Do you have a girlfriend?" I said, "No, I don't really have a girlfriend yet. I'm okay to be single." Oh, during the time in 2023 when I call Ate Mel Canete in CDIFI, I say to her, "Oh, is Teacher Freddy May Masalab Silos is your girlfriend?" Oh, I rejected her. I said, "No, she is not my girlfriend." Um, Teacher Freddy May Masalab Silos, she has a boyfriend who is a police officer. But I don't really have a girlfriend too. Oh, for example, Tatay Arnold asking me, "Do you have a girlfriend?" And I said, "I don't have girlfriend too." But a similar, they're asking me, even Tito Mac asking me, "Do you have a girlfriend?" I said, "No, I don't have a girlfriend." Nobody to have a girlfriend yet. Like Kuya Mel Nixon Castro said, so everyone are to be single. It's okay to be single. When I post in Facebook in during the time of field trip of Teacher Junelin Bactad, Kuya Mel claims it. Girlfriend mo ba yan? Like I said, I rejected. No, I don't have a girlfriend. Oh, for example, I don't have a girlfriend too. For me, I have no time for having a girlfriend. But my mom says to me, "Oh, wag ka na mag-girlfriend." Oh, like I said, it's the right time to say to be single. Oh, look at Shania Kiana, look at Cedric Mariano, look at Kuya Rodelio Daguman, oh, look at Jens Manaid. Oh, they are single. Look at Kiko Barsaga, he's single. And he doesn't have a girlfriend. Like me, I have no time to have a girlfriend. Look at Franco Morales, he has a girlfriend. Look at J. Silva, Ronald Rivera. They have their own girlfriend. Even Joshua Arroyo, he has girlfriend too. Oh, but me, I have no time to have a girlfriend too. Ate Olive says to me, "May girlfriend ka na ba?" Like I said, no, I don't have a girlfriend. I reject Nanay Ningning and Ate Olive's claims that they said, "I don't really have a girlfriend." Oh, I said, I remain to be single. I remain to be single, just like, for example, during the Valentine's Day celebration, we always to be single. Oh, single. Oh, this is the lesson for Iveta Crystal Dulce Jurado. Oh, just like, for example, if Teacher May is single, if she doesn't have a boyfriend, because I know Teacher May and Teacher Marisa asking me, "Do you have a girlfriend?" Oh, of course, I said it before, Rosaline Makadesh. And Teacher May says to me, the time, "Meron ka na ba girlfriend?" Oh, and I asked her, si Rosaline Makadesh, akala ko si Alexis Porcala, or what she said before. And I said, I don't have a girlfriend. Oh, I am remain to be single. Of course, I remain to be single. And you know what? Everyone to be single. Unlike David Gill, he has a girlfriend too when he talks to me about last 2017. But the time, me, I don't I don't have too much to have girlfriend. For example, when I talk to J. Silva, I don't want to have a girlfriend with Teacher Kel because she has a boyfriend, Eskel Penumbra. When I was told by J. Silva, I do not want to insist Teacher Kel to be my girlfriend. I said, hindi ko yan girlfriend yan. Like I said to him, meron siyang sariling boyfriend. His name is Eskel Penumbra, but he doesn't know really who I am. He doesn't know me. Like whatsoever, di niya ako kilala. So for me, I never want to courting with Teacher Kel again because she's in America. She is married. She has one children, and of course, she is married. I have no time to have a girlfriend yet. But this time, I'm always to be single. Oh, like me, I am single. Oh, for example, Nanay Ningning asked me, "Do you have a girlfriend, Miss Thailand? Wari ng Kram?" Wari ng Kram, the Miss Thailand. I talked to her in TikTok Live. She was a candidate for Miss Earth 2025. I always communicate her in TikTok Live. She is my domestic partner. That she is not my girlfriend. Oh, she is domestic partner. She is my domestic partner. She's not my girlfriend. And for example, Alexis Percala is my dance partner. Every closing programs in CDIFI, I was her dance partner. I was a substitute of Eris Clemente. And also, the one thing I could say, Teacher Patricia May De Leon, the practicover from CDIFI, who was recently, she is living in Canada with her husband, named Jeff Mila. Teacher Patricia May De Leon, she is my close friend. She's my dance partner when I was in CDIFI Valentine's party in masquerade party. Oh, you know that. Just like me, I do not have the time to have a girlfriend yet. For me, I always to be remain single. So this is the lesson to Yvette. Yvette Jurado, Crystal Dulce Jurado, do not insist yourself to be relationship. You should be out to be single. Everyone are single. Look at Bill Galang, Stefan Pimentel, Jude Goles, Jens Manaid, even Nikki Miranda. Oh, they are all single. Even Shania Kiana, oh, Cedric Mariano. Who else were single? Oh, um, um, Ate Isa, oh, Kuya Jay, they are single. Including Lawrence Villawan is also single. And even Angela, Michi, Aton Comentador, and Kyle Castro, they are all single. Look at RJ Gonzalez, your friend. He's always to be single. That was a former, the student of Teacher Vincent. And I know he's single. He's single also. RJ is making pictures while he was in the on the road and he was riding a motorcycle. He always to be single. He doesn't have girlfriend yet. So RJ Gonzalez is remain to be teenager. He is single. Oh, not compared like Joshua Arroyo that he has a girlfriend, Jerick Silva, he has a girlfriend, or Ronald Rebena, he has a girlfriend too. Oh, do not compare them, Yvette. You know, Crystal Dulce Rado, I'm not criticizing you, I just wanna make sure it's okay to be happy to be single. Oh, like you, everyone are single. Like I said there, everyone are happy are very single. Oh, look at in Germany. Some of men and women are single. Oh, look at um, in Japan, men and women are single. Oh, look at it in Japan. Oh, look at in Germany. Oh, men and women are single. Oh, but here in the Philippines, we are single too. Oh, we are not having a couples. Oh, we have to be single for only for you, Yvette, for the Valentines. Love your friends and family. not to start a boyfriend yet. Like us, oh, you remember Sir William Ducut, he doesn't have a girlfriend. The only his focus is talented of singing.